Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually create a playlist on your SounCloud account. Now it's a very easy process, but you actually need to know where to look. Now the first step that you want to take is actually open up a preferred browser, log into your existing SounCloud account on the SounCloud website, and you'll come up with this screen right here. Now the first step that you probably have taken is go down to your profile right here, head down to playlist, and from here try to make a new playlist. Now this doesn't work because it actually doesn't show up the playlist option. Now what you actually need to do is simply head down and search for the song that you want to create a playlist for. Now what you'll actually do is press more, add to playlist, and from here you can actually add it to a playlist, as you can see right here that you've already made it, but you can also create a playlist. You can set it to private or public. Lil Peep, for example. Simply press save. Now what this will do, it will create the Lil Peep playlist, and from here you can actually add more songs to it. And here you can see add to playlist, and that should be about it. Now what will happen if you try to actually delete songs from it? That's also a step. Here you can see that you have the three dots, and here you can't delete it. What you actually need to do is go to edit, and here go to tracks, and here you can actually deselect songs and delete them from your playlist. Now if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, please leave it in the comments down below, leave a like and subscribe. This helps me out a lot, and thanks for watching.